Hi guys, so yun na nga hindi nakapasok si Michelle D sa top 5. But I still think dapat nandun siya eh. Pero hindi yan ang punto ng video na to. But to begin with, nagsimula ako ng hindi fan ni Michelle D. I thought she was a weak candidate. But unti-unti as the coronation night was progressing, nakita ko na she really wanted to win and that she could have won except for two things na napansin ko. And a disclaimer pala, I'm a non-pageant fan and I might be wrong. Pero malay natin, baka naman may puntos itong mga sasabihin ko for the next contestants to consider, for the next Filipino contestants to consider in the next Miss Universe pageant. Saludo ako doon sa gown ni Michelle D. Kung ako nga, based on that alone, dapat pumasok siya sa top 3. Pero meron kasi siyang isang, para sa mata ko meron siyang isang pagkakamali nung swimsuit competition. Ang ganda, sa totoo lang malakas yung dating ni Michelle D nung swimsuit competition. Kitang-kita mo sa lakad niya yung confidence, yung kagustuhan niyang manalo. Pero nung umikot siya, at least as seen on cam, para siyang muntik matumba. At siguro feeling ko, sa sobrang taas ng adrenaline ni Michelle, masyado na. Alam ko na kailangan paglalaban ka, may confidence ka, alam ko din ang mindset na mananalo ako. Pero yun, yung ikot na yun, I might be wrong. So, oo, mema lang to. So, wag niyo na akong i-message na mema lang. Pero to, observation to ng non-pageant fan. Nawala doon. Yung nakita ko ng Stevie. Yung pangalawang tingin ko na medyo na-off ako kay Michelle. Yung kamay niya, yung talsik ng kamay niya, masyado. Parang walang control. Alam niyo, chinecheck ko yung Twitter from time to time para makita kung ano yung sinasabi ng tao. At madami or may mga ilan na nag-post nung swimsuit performance ni Catriona Gray. And bagamat kita mo kay Catriona Gray na ang taas din ng adrenaline niya at gusto niyang manalo, she went beyond that. Kay Michelle kasi, her body language said, gusto kong manalo, I have to win, I want to win, I will win this for the Philippines. Yung kay Catriona, I want to win. That's why I perfected this. That's why I prepared for it. That's why I'm in control. And you will see that I'm in control. There's no other way for you but to let me win. Parang ganun. So, yun lang guys. But overall, sa totoo lang, na-impress ako kay Michelle D. And I had hope na at least man lang pumasok siya sa top 3 despite those two things na napansin ko. Pero ganun talaga eh. It's a pageant. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Better luck next time na lang for our at hindi naman uuwi si Michelle D ng ng nahihiya. My God, top 10 na yun And she really did well. So heads up, Michelle. You represented the country well. And I know there are better things in store for you in the future. So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. And I hope you like this video. At kung may sasabihin ko, then just comment and mag-subscribe kayo if not already. Bye-bye!